So we're here, it's Monday morning, we've turned up, our cable's been stolen last night.
Great start.
Yeah, £18,000 worth of cable. But yeah, we're going to crack on. Matt's ordered some more cable to come today.
That's hopefully turning up this afternoon, and then obviously you guys have started the trench work. Andy's at the moment pouring through.
Yeah, we've got a lot going on, heavy cable to get in.
We've got two 70mm armours going to go through, so we've got the muscle here today.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll keep you updated as how we go.
Yeah, perfect.
So we've got 180 metres of trench. Lou's just breaking it out, but he's hurting his fingers. We have got a breaker here I could set up. Do you want me to set the breaker up?
Nah, he's cutting it.
Right, so it's 10 o'clock in the morning. Been at it for about 2 hours. Got the trench cut out. And we're going to start digging it.
You ready?
How's it going, Matt?
Yeah, good, Darren. Yeah, see, I've done mainly most of the work, and Louis been mainly on the phone.
Yeah. What's the time?
Oh, that's 12.
12:15?
12:14.
14? Oh, all right. We're going to get halfway before we stop for lunch.
Yeah.
Which is what, the Pine Cove?
The Pine Cove, mate.
And then we're stopping. What do you reckon, Ben?
I reckon it's all good, mate.
Question is,
I got the pecker.
boxer shorts or no boxer shorts?
I'm wearing them today, seeing as we're on a school site.
Yeah.
I'm wearing them.
And knowing your track record.
And
I've been wearing the same box shorts since Friday.
Have you? Inside out or just...
No, that's tonight. I changed inside out.
Mine have got zebra stripes in from that toilet a minute ago.
What are you up to?
So I'm putting in the metal basket along here.
Yeah.
Take our cable all the way through here. Hop underneath that one, jump onto it there, all the way through, then we're going to hop up.
Put those miles.
Yeah.
And then we go across.
Over there,
Yeah.
follow those other cables. We're going to go over here where there is a riser.
Yeah.
Drop down. Once we've got access in there, straight down. I think going to go through some
Yeah, I've seen it as a
more-
big hoard in there.
Yeah, but I think probably a bit more.
Hello, darling.
Sums up the job, really.
Lunchtime.
So we've got the hole in to the building. Very dusty, covered in mud. Everyone's just having lunch. Got another cable coming today. Hopefully that doesn't get stolen. And then we're going to try and get it in tonight so that it's secure. Yeah, that should turn up at 3 o'clock. We do a couple of hours, stay till 6 and get it done. It's 1 o'clock, making good progress. Hard old going. Got a tight there, Matt.
Yeah, mate, cheers. Go above that, yeah?
Yeah.
Hello, darling.
Making a good bit of progress.
Yep.
Matt's getting his track in. we've had the cable re-delivered. We're now, what is that, 36 grand in cable. Put the digger over it tonight and moved it right down into a compound where there's some cameras. Probably only would have got a couple of grand's worth of scrap. But there you go. Yeah, Andy's in his element here. Comes naturally.
Of course it does.
They've got their tracking up, ready for the big cable pull.
For a big pull in the morning.
How are you feeling about that?
Yeah, I'm not going to be here.
Oh, you're not? And that's a wrap for day one. Get that cable in tomorrow. Have a good day. It's lovely weather. Alright, so we jacked the cable up, started getting it in. Matt's doing a video.
A good looking Mac could do with a hand.
Well then I reckon Ben might have to come there,
Yeah.
and then Louis, one of them has to come between.
It's not, I've got a scar there. When I get the haircut, they always...
Show me? No, you definitely never had an eyebrow shape like that.
That's a scar you cunt.
Sam's running us through it all. How's it going, Sam?
Yeah, it's going alright so far.
As long as Matt stays out of the way, we'd be alright.
Yeah. All the other boys.
David Bailey out.
Back to digging the last bit of the cable out. Matt's done 2 minutes on the breaker and has succumbed to white knuckle.
I think I'm too good for the breaker.
Are you?
Yeah.
Really? Yeah. Second cable's going in. Matt's fatiguing.
He's got a pass hand.
Right, so we're nearly dug all the way. Louis
Blowing.
For. Ben's on his knees, earning his keep. Got the cable rolled out, one of them, and just got to get into this last building. So Matt and his guys have been busy, got all of this in, tied it up.
All the cables in now. Obviously put the old metal cable ties in for fire regulations. All zipped up.
It's looking
fixed
smart.
back. We're just slowly making our way, tidying all this area up.
Yeah.
Obviously added some extra basket along here. And
Yeah, we'll pull the slack out when we do the trench, fill the trench in.
And yeah, we're all the way through here. Sam's now down in the intake room, making the armours off. I can take you down there and have a look down there,
Yeah,
couldn't
let's
we?
go and have a look. Had to poke down through that gap, come along into here,
Through here.
through the staff.
We've just got to put some more fixings in here to try and,
Yeah,
where
strap
we
that
can,
up.
strap
Big old cables, look, that's the size of my hand, and that's,
and look at the weight of them.
yeah.
That's me pushing.
They actually went in easier than I thought they would.
I think it was a good choice to do 270 mils rather than
Yeah.
150 mil.
And then we're into here, and then they're going to power off on Friday,
And this is the
connect it all up.
isolator switch we've got to make it into.
Yeah, the whole point of this one, it's 3 phase, isn't it?
3 phases,
And one of the,
two 5-core cables, yeah, and the existing cable, which is fed from here, we've had one of the phases go down, and it was also undersized, because after we did our cable calculations, testing, we noticed it was undersized.
yeah. Oh look,
Hello, how are you doing?
didn't bring me one.
No,
The cables are the main.
that's it. You're through 4 cables coming in, so 3
Yeah.
phases.
And then an earth. Is that an earth or not?
Earth would be combined with neutral.
Yeah.
So
I don't know anything about it. It's just
No.
quite interesting.
it splits off there, and then the neutral goes for the main switch and that. That would probably be 500.
Having a bit of a mare. It's very tight. Very tight. The last bit.
Last bit.
Do you want me to have a fresh go on it for a minute?
I've had 2 swings.
There's just nowhere.
Put your mask on, Matt. It's an improvement.
You like it?
Yeah.
Face it. Yeah.
We've got the hole through.
I'll turn the light off and it'll save that.
I think we're all pretty clear so far.
Cables are in.
Cables are in, aren't they, dare I say?
We're knackered.
Yeah. Been a long day, isn't it?
Yeah.
Weather hasn't been on our side this afternoon either, is it?
No.
But at least tomorrow we'll get
Yeah.
these up.
This end's going to be in tomorrow, isn't it? And then
It's gonna-
Friday you're being
Shut down.
shutting down to connect the other end.
And then you're on track for Friday to be.
Yeah, by the end of the week we'll be done.
Yeah.
I think by the end of tomorrow there won't be a lot for us other than tarmacking, so it'll be good. So that's it. We've tested the cable to make sure it's got, I think it's called continuity, so that's all good. So we're going to backfill in a minute. Right, day 3 should get pretty much squared up today. Gonna sand blind, detectable tape, reinstate. Sand blinding. This is the tape we're using, it's detectable. All fire foamed up, sand blinded. Got this detectable tape on it. Alright, started backfilling, sanded, cable detected tape, Matt and Ben are loading.
Louis on his phone
Louis
again.
on his phone again.
Standard.
Is it business?
No.
No,
Social.
Yeah. Just gonna start relaying, trench whackered. It was all on sand, but we're gonna lay it on sharp just because a lot of these slabs move. Reinstated, we've got to grab a couple of slabs we're missing. These slabs are a bit horrendous, so we're just doing our best. We've reinstated, but we're not that happy because the existing path is a bit terrible and we've had to go with what we've got. Just one.
Just the one.
All reinstated. And that's it. You'd never know we'd been here. Can't even, I think it was down this one. Just buy a couple of slabs because they're so tight they broke. We're all good. Trigger.
Huh?
Trigger.
I know, right?
Jobs are good. 3.5 days and we're out of here. All tidied up, all tarmacked, all reinstated, all connected. That's it, 3.5 days. It's now 7 o'clock at night, we just finished. Got it tarmacked. 3.5 days and we're done.
Right, so this is the last day today. We're shutting everything down. So it sounds like they're just drilling the 50mm hole. everything's been turned off down here. Armouds have been pulled into position and stripped down, and we'll keep you updated on the next bit. So we're now just sort of getting the second armoured in. First armoured's in, earth cable's out, and then we've then got to come through the cable tray area to bring these cables down here, and then they get terminated onto these phases here and neutral. So yeah, it's a hard, you can probably hear me panting. It's a physical job, and you know, especially it's quite a tight space in here. We've literally only got that to work with, and up there is obviously there's a lot going on, because obviously this is one of the main distribution areas which feeds this site. So we've probably only got another couple of hours until we need to get power back on, because obviously the UPSs, the server areas, will pack up. So we're up the other end now of Swansea, and new cables are in. They swoop down through this trunking and around, and then terminated into the switch. Okay, so this is the last connection now, the neutral one, and then we've just got to push this shroud up, all connected up. Dead testing is all complete, and then we're moving on to the live testing. Ready to fire up in a minute, Sam, eh?
Yep, that's it.
And that's us done. Supply cable all in, powered up, all checked, and all working.